I'm allergic to potato, but I'm like, sweet potato. With cinnamon, maybe. Yeah, with cinnamon. Oh, such good stuff. Hi, this is Rashmika Mandana, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I eat in a day. That's what my friends say, but I don't think that's right. But I think I'm more on that meter because I have broad shoulders and I have a physique which doesn't really show what I eat, but yeah, my friends say that, and let me just go with that. Yeah. So, morning ritual for health. I tend to drink a lot of water as soon as I wake up. I think almost close to a liter of water just when I wake up in the morning. And now my dietitian has given me apple cider vinegar, and oh my god, it is, I don't know how I drink it every day, but yes, that is one. But yeah, just water. My favorite breakfast used to be avocado toast, but my dietitian, again, she's not letting me have that. Lunch, I'm more of a South Indian meal kind of a person, but I don't really eat rice as much. I think I have this very weird thing of just mixing up all the curries and having them as just because you get a lot of veggies and there's taste and everything. So yeah, I'm kind of weird on that. Dinner is always something light, or if I go out with my friends or anything, then probably a good dinner. I am very bad at keeping timing. I eat at odd timings. I know that's very bad. Do not do that. But yeah, night owl, because I am not really a party person, but I just end up Netflixing till really late. And I have odd timings for my foods is because I wake up late, and even the work is, you know, in such ways. So yeah, it's actually in the morning, I assume, but I work out in the evening because when I have shoot, I have to be in set by 7 a.m. So yeah, I end up working after my shoot. More of proteins. I'm a vegetarian, I just turned vegetarian, so I like actually specifically eggetarian. So I eat eggs post-workout. Actually, when you start dieting, I think it should be in a way of your lifestyle. There shouldn't be a cheat day, but you know me, I'm a sweet tooth. I crave for dessert like every single day. Do not ask me how many times I cheat. Or yeah, don't ask me such personal questions. It's extremely personal. So beat this, okay? I am a vegetarian, and I just realized that I'm allergic to a couple of vegetables, which is tomatoes, potatoes, cucumber, capsicum, and all of that. And my friends are like, what else is there for you to eat? Which is actually a good point. I mean, I was in Italy recently, and you know, they have pizzas and everything, and tomato sauce, of course. So I'm like, I can't have tomato and potato, and they're like, there's nothing for you to eat. Please eat desserts. And I survived on desserts the whole time. Sad story. Yes, hashtag sad story. I work out every day, but I don't know, like now I think because of the weather or something, it's getting me really lazy, but my friends are like, chalo, let's go work out and everything, so I'm headed to work out right after this. Healthy munches. Oh, recently found sweet potato fry. I'm allergic to potato, but I'm like, sweet potato. With cinnamon, maybe. Yeah, with cinnamon. Oh, such good stuff. And alcoholic. I have no idea. Someone's got to tell me this. What is it? Wine? Wine is healthy, right? Yeah, wine is good for your heart and skin and everything. Yeah. But it has too much sugar, so I'm not sure. I don't know. Sweet, dessert, sweet, fat, cream, all of that. That's my cheat meal. For my skin, not really, man. Like, I wake up, wash my face, put on moisturizer, sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen every day before you step out. Vitamin C, I'm a vitamin C person, so that, and yeah, that's about it. I used to be such a good kid where I used to go to sleep early and wake up early in the day, but looks like it's changed quite a bit where I sleep late and wake up late in the morning, which is a bad thing. Do not do it. now that you guys know that I don't do anything for diet, okay? But I hope you guys have liked this video. Nevertheless, please give it a like, share, subscribe. Thank you.